Are you a marketer designing promo brochures for your products and services? You probably want to know what your clients think about them. Or an HR specialist who wants to check how thoroughly your teammates read that internal guide. Or maybe you're a teacher who creates engaging interactive textbooks for your students and wants to check their progress. Well, it's easier than ever with FlippingBook. Simply integrate a form or a quiz into your interactive flipbook and ask away. Work with your favorite tool. You can add Google Forms, Microsoft Forms, or Typeform surveys. You won't believe how useful the forms are. Polls can be a fun interactive activity in your newsletters or magazines. Surveys incorporated into internal docs help you get valuable feedback from your team. And quizzes are great for checking your students' progress via ebooks and textbooks. You can check the collected responses in the tool of your choice. Interactive forums are an amazing way to get valuable insights and build stronger bonds with your audience. Reach out to your readers today with FlippingBook.